How are you lovely people today? It is January 5th, 2021. Hope you guys are having a happy new year. I got a video for you guys today. Today we are going to be reviewing not only the CRKT FREYR Hatchet, but also the GoPro Hero7 Black. So let's get on with it. Alrighty. Let's cut a tree down, shall we? This one. Shouldn't really ever cut trees this high, but just doing it to see. What it looks like on camera. Because I might do this a little survival video. I got a lot of videos planned out for this thing, and I'm gonna see kind of how it works with just cutting down a tree. So that's what we're gonna do. See if I can push it down now. Almost. I don't know if I can pull it down. No, not yet. Okay. A little bit on the back side then. Again, yeah, this is the CRKT FREYR, designed by Elmer Roosh. It's alright. It didn't come very sharp, but hopefully the lighting's okay. It's kind of late in the evening, at least for winter, so the lighting isn't all that great, and we're in the woods, so apologize for that. Tree's about to be down here. Let's go. Cool beans. All right, let's drag it on out here. Out in the open. Stuff looks like Skyrim, dude. Holy crap. I need to get a head mount next. Actually, I think I have one. Alright, let's process this son of a gun. I'm just gonna do small pieces. Sorry about the dogs. This up a little bit. It's probably gonna fall down a little bit just because of the angle that I'm on, but we'll see. This is my first time using a GoPro. Got it for Christmas, and I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video or not. But and this will probably be the first video on my channel for a while, just because it's something new and exciting. Alright. A little bit over here to this side. Might actually just take the chest mount off for now. See how that looks. Let me see here. Get you guys a little bit closer here. Alrighty. That'll probably be better than the crotch cam. Next. Hope you guys had a good holiday break. I hope 2021 is gonna be a better year than 2020 was. Hopefully it is. COVID just kind of messed everything up for everybody, I think, regardless of who you are. And again, I'm probably not going to make a fire or anything. I'll probably just let this wood dry out. It's probably still kind of wet, but or green at least. This is just to see what the new GoPro is capable of. I can film in 4K, but it's like you can only watch 4K on screens and stuff that support it. So unless y'all want that, let me know, I guess. Like I said, this is my first time using the GoPro, so if it's out of frame or anything, it's just my first time. I'm learning. I plan on doing a bunch of stuff with it, not just cutting wood in my backyard. Got a nice little pile going over there. This axe is okay. It's not the best axe. You could probably be just good with the regular axe from like your hardware store or anywhere. I mean, this axe, I had to resharpen it a couple times. It didn't come sharp, so I don't know. It just looks cool, I guess. That's enough reason to buy anything, I guess. It looks cool. I mean, it performs okay. Probably not like a Grand Force Brooks or anything, but it's alright. but it didn't come sharpened. Like I said before, I had to sharpen it on my own. And the handle it's pretty comfortable for my hand at least. But it's really heavy, to be honest. One thing I do like about it is that the beard on it lets you like grab onto like logs and stuff. So like right here, if I just wanted to pull that, I could. Or like right here and just pull it up to my hand. That's one thing I could do. But yeah. I can tell that this handle, it's not this like whatever color they have it on the website. They obviously stained it with some kind of stain. But you know, it's CRKT. It's not like some crazy Axe brand or something. Not to diss on CRKT. I think they make some good stuff, but I don't know. Just whatever you like, I guess. Should be about close to the end of this. Should be getting to the end here soon. Like that. I just literally just broke that off because it wasn't cutting. Oh, missed. If you got any suggestions, videos y'all want to see on the channel, just let me know. I like making weapons, but I think I'm probably gonna take it more of a like adventure route, or like, I don't know. We'll just see, to be honest. So as you can see, that tree is no longer a tree. It's just a bunch of logs and sticks and stuff. I'm probably gonna drag it off to let it dry out. I'm not gonna try to burn it while it's green. I made that mistake before. That takes forever. But yeah, this is kind of just a test to see how good the GoPro 7 is, or Hero 7 Black, I should say. What do you guys think? Is it all right? I think it is, but I have to review this footage first. I know a lot of people use them. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is Buck. Y'all haven't seen him yet. He likes to play a lot. I don't blame him, because if I was a dog, I'd like to play a lot too. Here's some sun. It's crazy. Look at that. That's pretty. Yeah, and this is the CRKT FREYR. I think that's how you say that. It's alright. It likes to collect dirt. Probably if I had better aim, it wouldn't collect dirt. But yeah, here it is, and here's a GoPro 7. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more GoPro videos, I'll probably put some more up on the channel. I got some ideas already brewing. That's probably gonna be it for today. Leave a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.